Start na. Stop! Announce mo yung egg pie. Egg pie. DJ, sipat mo.
Okay, sa mga gustong magmerienda, meron tayong mga merienda dyan ha. May egg pie tayo ni Tita Grace, may puto pao and kuchita. Ano pa mga merienda mo? Teka, niluloko lang ang gulaman. May puto kuchita, may sisi. Another puto kuchita. Up and butito. Stack sheet, stack sheet.
Main ka na, Ira.
Okay na po yun.
Kaya ka to. May makamod ba dito? Ito guys, mga tato na stop. Wala kami sa sikip. Kailan mo ng sikip?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Boys, move a little bit.
Alright, next game. Grit and Grind kontra Bagsak Pepa Kapampangan Team. Alright, players inside the court, please. We're going to start this back-backan right now. Boss, para mapapaan yung English ko dito ah. Kasi the Grit and Grind, kailangan nila maintindihan yung ano ko. They need to understand my my language. Oh. Ikaw pa naman ang inaasahan ko. Akala ko sign language lang ako ngayon. Ako. Okay ka dyan, binuksan na yung net ha, para mas maganda yung ano nyo. Game natin.
Ang anong ganda nung boss. Solid boss, solid.
Bukang inang nirapan niya.
Galing.
Ano, may click dito. Ano daw?
Hoy, huwag natin kalimutan.
Pinaganda pa
Bondai boys and Bondai girls, para hindi kayo magutom sa inyong biyahe, may mga pagkain po tayo ron. Binalot.
Panalo na po, tayo na.
Pinaganda pa yung laban, boss.
Sino ba yung referee tumawag na stepping on the line? One more shot.
Caramel bars, bagay na bagay. Ubi bars, desserts. Okay.
Next season.
This is the Basta Division.
Mahina pa rin si Marley.
Alright, let's go. Basketball. Grit and Grind against Bagsak Pepa. To Van. To Adobo Binangga. Nawala yung bola. Video tayo, video. Out bola ng Bagsak Pepa. Ito na yun, kay Patrick, to number 10, sa ilalim na bulata. Ang takad. Yan talaga, matakad talaga. Si Harvey. 11 seconds shot na. He's so tall and big,
and strong. Oops. There is an offensive foul. Offensive foul on number 14, Wazy. With Wazy, di ka maliligaw. Rebound by number 10. Ito na ngayon si Palad. Palad, crossover, naiwanan sa gitna ngayon kay number 10. Kayanan, sablay. Ito na si Bad. Bad, sumagasa. Bad, wala. Rebound, napunta ka bago. Libre si Kayanan. 2 points. And that's Harvey. 2 points for Harvey. That is a very strong move by Harvey, number 12. With a sidestepping on the ground. And si Kayanan to Father Diosen. Diosen pull up to. Wala. Rebound by Harvey. Harvey gave it to the point guard. Pinasa sa ilalim po ng Estilan. Eto na kayo ng bagsak Neva. Si Patrick, pinasa sa ilalim kay Wazy. 2 points! Dahil kasama kang masuwa. Patrick! Ito na si Banda. Wala. Kayanan for the rebound. Miranda to Wazy. To Kayanan. To Palad. There's a foul on number 6, Irene. Shooting foul. Pumunta kayo sa free throw line si Palad. Biglang umihinta. Para kailangan ko ng power rate mula kay Joaquin Binalo. Boss! Welcome back, boss! Four-point lead ngayon ang Bagsak Nepa. Eto na. Suban. To Avery for a three. Wala. Rebound. Foul on Wazy, number 14. Upa TV. Balik out siya, Mr. Vin Diesel. Bili mo na kayo ng sa lalim ng biyahe ko. Boss, bili mo na. Congrats. Parang gusto ko na sa Bondi Boys basketball season. Oy, malaki pang biyahe ka. Bili mo na kayo ng pagkain dyan, ha? Ingat. Miranda. To Palad. To Kayanan. Napunta kay Patrick. Nag-guess sa 3 Patrick. Pinapatayan. 2. Hindi sila medyo magkaintindihan doon. Turnover. Sa sobrang init, parang gusto ko na rin. Nagtutulang ang players. Patrick ngayon. 2 points para kay Patrick Diosin. Ibang klase rin yung cheerleader ng Bagsak Mesa. May pabalons pa. Patrick ngayon. Patrick. Yun. Time out. Hit and drive. Yan. Napagod ang tatay po natin. Ay ano na kasi ito eh. Para sa presyo, iba-iba yung presyo. Bumod sa pera potensyo na pinagpunan bilang play. Para sa game, sa laro, hindi nakaparating sa tuktok o bilig. Pagkatapos kilos na gusto, luwantin kuning pinuhos ko. Isip ng isip mga transader. Dati ba naisip ko na to never. Talagang lagi ko na tinotodo. Agaw ko bakit sa ganitong level. Kaya nasa pagpasinalo. Di ba rin ang kalama na may weather yung way. Malabang ko para sa pagpapatakas yung way. Laban lang hindi Body, yung tuktok mo naman! Body, yung tuktok mo, Body! Yan. Go! Go, Patrick Deron na naman ang mamadali! Pinabayaan. Let's go, let's go! Ito. 50 seconds lang. Tumaya press, wala. Reward na namin mo. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Same 4 seconds lang to. Substitution right. 4 seconds left in the shot clock. 4 seconds. 4 seconds shot clock. Alright. Number 13. Payam. Nagkataon ng bola. Sorry. Bola ng Green and Giant. Up and go. Again go. Tumira na dress. Lock. 5 ball. 7. There go. Body. Order po ko, body. Well, 5 ball. Number 26. Tignan mawala. Number 15. Ay, kaya. Wala na siya sa 30 seconds left. Patrick Diosin, pinasa sa number 10. Ganda, wala. Rebound na number 6, 7, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kala ko dapat.
Tayo. Pampanga.
Bagsak Mepa. Seven. Patrick Diosen. Nagtitipon. Naghahanap ng papangahan. Yan, ready to play. Here go. Last ko natin 10. Patrick, wala. 9 seconds on clock. 4. Number 26. Yan na, 26. Pass to number 8. Kabagsak. Number 10. Pass kay Patrick Diosen. Favorite shot. Wala. Number 16, diba? Quality jump shot. Number 16, quality jump shot. 15 seconds on clock. 8. 5 seconds. 4, 3. Number 4 pinasa number 26. Titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound din para. Number 7 titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 8. Wala papasahan. Number 26. Back. In favor of Bagsak Mepa. Yun. Foul. Foul on number 4. Reaching in. 2 shots. Grabe sila lang. Tignan mo naman. Grabe yung pinalo. Halagang 20, kompleto lahat. Yung brownies. Example po, ito parang Marcos. Pati Dios na nagmamadali. Hinintay. Tsaka tumira, favorite na favorite. Wala, ayaw ka na. Iba doon ang ito. Positive for 3. Yes!
Kasi grabe yung pressure mo. Napatay ko. Ito na naman natin yun.
15 seconds on clock.
Sayang na, sayang talaga.
Drop shot by number 12. Pass to number 16. High fire! With weapon. This is Sydney Liga Basketball. Habang kumakain si Bote TV ng binalot, halagang $20, kumpleto na. kulang na lang ay tubig. Yan. May drinks din pala, may pinibenta rin ng... Shout out to Joaquin Spinalon, napakasarap. May itlog na maalam pa, malangis. Ay, Diyos ko. May kamatis pa. Ano? Ulam na lang, kutsante kasi kinakamay lang yan. Eh, nasa Australia na tayo.
Ay, condition na. Relax lang.
Hindi na improving.
Wala nyo.
Pagkatapos kumain tatay, boning siya naman. Nagugutom din kami, uy. Bagsak may pamang nag-ahap ng bola. 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Yan, napakadaming bukil sa Pinalon. Huwag niyong kakalimutan, pati si Patrick. 10 seconds shot clock. Wala, rebound na wala. Pinasa. Aliyong play. Basta wala na, napilong natin. Well, mala. Patrick Jose. Tumira, mid-range shot. Wala. Foul. Pushing foul number 10. First personal foul number 10. Meron din tayo nililinda mga t-shirt dito, $10 lang. Kung ayaw na bumili, susunugin po dito. 16 seconds on clock. Still foul. Foul number 26, 13 foul, Quinton Bryant. Bagsak may pa. 14-13. Mukhang tikit din ang laban na to. Foul, Uchigay. Number 11, warning for penalty, Quinton Bryant, 14 foul. 90 seconds shot clock. That's how Wazy. Hindi ka maliligaw kung Wazy. Never. Oy, hindi si Wazy. Hindi ka maliligaw. 6-5. 4 seconds pa rin tayo. 4 seconds, hindi tumama ng ring. 4 seconds shot clock. Hindi tumama. 3, 2, 1, shot clock! Nah, Grit and Ryan, number 0. Fake. Bumangga. Nawala ang bola. Pinasa sa gitna. Grabe naman yun. Power move. Still running. What? Crossover to Randy. Number 12. Still ball. Patrick Joseph. Libre-libre naman si Patrick Joseph. Yes, sir, yan. Matic. Next up, rep. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Waiting for the right side. Number 12, foul. Oh.
Yes sila. Makaipa ko nito.
Referee, ano po, decision. Kuya Greg, ano po decision? 2 shots. Foul number 10. Second personal foul number 10.
Lahat na, sabay-sabay na.
Wala.
Hindi pa rin. Yari, pagka mo na. Next year.
Mainit talaga ang laban niya sa SSG.
Mga laban ngayon.
Yan, subdivision.
Oh? Labak na.
Kamita.
Makalapin yung nila. Si Dennis Ruder.
English eh. Hindi ba? Ano?
Halo?
26. Mid-range shot. Wala. Rebound na naman din. Miranda. Nung English na, kumain si Bonnie. Number 17 to Miranda. Yes! Okay, 30. 10. Okay. 11 seconds left. Wala. 2, 1. Got it. Pasensya na, gusto ko natin ipasok, pero natin talaga.
Manual yung pasok. Manual na.
Nakain.
Low budget eh.
Outfit check.
Ayaw akong pasolo kasi malaki pa dyan.
Pakondisyon muna.
Condition. Give me 3 months. Wala na sa probinsya. Siguro kakain eh.
Bag ko.
Lapasan ng book.
Wala ko naman ako.
DJ!
Hindi counted yung uling tira. The last shot is not counted.
I should have read.
Grit and grind up by 2 points. Bagsak Mepa basketball. Change score. Bagsak Mepa basketball.
Papa-English na naman ako. Nabidyoan ka. Hoy! Ayaw ko makausap sa inyo. What?
Ay, bola!
2, 3.
Ayan mo na. Miranda. Wala. Reggie lagi makarapos sa mga dati. Jago. Richard Guard. Basketball. Alright, here comes Taiwan. Taiwan. Mark for 3. Voila. Rebound by Taiwan. Still by Patrick. Reggie all by himself. Rebound by Jago. Here comes Taiwan. Pinagawa. Foul on Miranda. Number 17. Here comes Harvey. Aiming for the scoop. Harvey for 3. Knock. Alright. Patrick Dawson. In the middle. Pass to Tara. For 3. Knock. Here comes the big man. Pass to Mark. Mark with a slayer. No. Rebound. Whoa. What's the ball? Now the ball out to Fernanda. And to Harvey. Foul on Halak, number 7. It's called the blocking foul. Okay. Taiwan to Harvey. Back to Taiwan. In the middle, Sufara. Yes. 2 balls. We just grind out by 4. Patrick Johnson giving the ball. What a great defense by Taiwan. Taiwan said no. Foul on number 6, Avery. Second personal foul on number 6, Irene. Alright. This is Palad. Screen by Miranda. Pass to Kayana for 3. Too strong. Oh, but it's a pass. There's a foul on Taiwan. 0-0 foul. Substitution there. Taiwan out. Back in. Malena in. Number 8 out. Don't. Sablay ako gusto rin Tagalog ako. Nagugutom ulit ako ng English.
Kuya!
Kumbala. Bukin natin.
Pasok ang dalawang free throw. Here comes Van, dribbling the ball. Pinamatayan ni Palad. Palad, binigyan ng screen ni Mark. The ball is on to Mark's hand now. Alright, back to back. 6, 5, foul on number 7, Palad. With 4 seconds left na lang sana sa kanilang shot clock. Second personal foul on Palad. 14 seconds shot clock. Dan pull up to, pero pinasa niya pala ng steal. Ito na ang 2-1 situation. Patrick behind the back. Ito na si Harvey. Back for 3. Wala. Irene for 3. Out of bounds with a grind basketball. Time out! Sasha Merva! Kita mo na, ang sarap ng binalang, patay yung daw ng saging, gusto kainin mo patidi.
Ay, mami.
Ang sasarap ng mga pagkain ngayon dito sa SLB. Sa tingin ko, this is the best season ever ng SLB.
Malindig. Cooking.
Ang dami pagkain, ang ganda ng games. 2 more for number 4. Alright, Miranda, here's where the ball. With the screen in Palad. Miranda nakawala. Miranda for the layup. No good. Rebound. Super. Down 2. What up? Rebound. Number 4. Behind back. Back to Simmons. Down for 3. What up? Rebound. Kayana. Miko kaya. Back to Miranda for 3. Wala. Rebound by Patrick Jordan and steal by Simon. Here comes the great run. Good grab, pass to Mark. Mark pull up 2. No good. And we're playing for number 11, Parker. this 2 minutes of the third quarter. Patrick Yoga out of bounds. What a great defense by the Green and Grind. Ball on the Green and Grind. Whoops, a counter steal by Patrick. Patrick Yoga, foul number 4. 2 free throws. Para kay Patrick.
That was a good goal.
Back to the ball game. With 50 seconds left in the third quarter. Pasok ang free throw ni Patrick Yoga. Carter, almost two by Mr. Palat. 23 seconds left in this quarter. Here comes Mark. Back to Carter. Number 11 now. All the way down. Oh, here comes Palat. Pinaka sa Patrick. Patrick never hoops down. 2 points for Patrick. The 2 points down. 3, 2, 1. Alright, the last and final quarter. Grit and Grind basketball. Oh! Guys, you need to believe, you need to listen to our community. They carry the notes, they know what they're doing. We know what's happening. Grit and Grind basketball. Alright, then last kayo sa amin, Bagsak Mepa basketball. Boys, this is the final quarter of this final game. Bagsak Mepa versus Grit and Grind. Welcome back to the TV. Recharge na ulit tayo. Iba na rin ang maaga ng Bakirya. Ang binalat ni Joaquin. Out of bounds. Really drive basketball. Naitawin ni Van ang bola to Carter. Van, no, rebound by Patrick the Awesome. Ito si Patrick na pamadali itong pala. One fake, 2 balls for Pala. 5-point lead by Bridget Drive. Out of bounds, same ball. Ito na si Van. Oh, there's a foul. Away from the ball. Number 7, foul. Palad. Palad, wag mo nang yakapin. Matangkad talaga yan. Harvey ball to Harvey to Van. Van. Pinapatay ni Miranda. Van, bumeke, bumaga. Steal by Miranda. Ito na ngayon si Palad. Nagmamadali. Cruz over. Bumeke. Pull up 2. Wala. Umalog. Kayanan for the rebound. Kayanan. Wala. Rebound pa. Kayanan again si Patrick. Patrick bumaga. Pass to Miranda. To Palad for 3. Espejo kali number 8. Here comes Avery. Good. Charging foul. Charging foul is called. So third foul on Avery, number 6. 4-point lead na lang ang hinahabol. Patrick Yosel na crossover is crossover no? Sumobra sa crossover.
Sama ng tama ng isa eh. Nang isa eh. Nang isa eh. Kita. Kasi ano yun, pili ko. Parang dito eh. Mawawalan ka ng kanin. Sama ng tama eh. Ay, Jeff. Please na lang.
This timeout is brought to us by Pinalot ni Joaquin sa halagang etneb. May tanin ka na, may tapa, itlog na maalam, caramel bars, kamatis, ang inumin. At syempre nandiyan din si Tita Grace. May sisig pa ba si Tita Grace? Wala na. Maagang na sold out yung sisig ni Tita Grace. Palad for 3. Wala. Rebound by Pan. Pass to Harvey. Here's down Harvey. Harvey. 2 points for Harvey. Palad binabagayan ni Avery. Palad ngayon. Dumig rebound, Palad, hinaharas. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Napasa kay Miranda. Miranda back to Palan. Palan na patikman. Here comes the 3-on-2 situation. Malena to back. 2 points for Van. What a pass by Malena. Here comes Patrick. Patrick in the middle. 2 points for Patrick Dawson. Okay, Malena ngayon. Malena to Irie. To Hardy in the 3-point line. Hardy pull up. But there's a foul. Foul on number 10, Patrick Dawson. Number 10, Patrick Dawson. Third personal foul. Ay, sorry. Who's number 10? 0 pala, 0 si Patrick. Akala. Sorry, my bad. Foul on number 0, Patrick Dawson. Third person. Wait. Kayanan. Sorry. Kayanan. Nagkalituhan. Nalito rin ako eh. I got confused, bro. Zagreb. Wazy in. Espanya out. Espanya. Ito na si Wazy for 3. Wala. Rebound. Kaya. Palan for 3. Wala. Rebound. Ball. Griffin drive. Basketball. Here comes Malena, back to Harvey. Harvey getting harassed by Miranda. What a defense by Miranda. Meta seven. Foul on number 14, Wazy. Warning for penalty. Bagsak Nepa.
I'm 40 or 6.
Awesome. Fourth personal foul received. Third team foul. Pala total situation. Foul on 26.
Pwede mo yung 150 para mabagal. 150 cc.
2 team fouls sa Clinton Drive.
150.
3 team fouls para sa Bagsak Nepa. 5 seconds, Patrick in the middle. Wala. Rebound by Harvey. Griffin guard basketball.
Run tricks tapos 150. 50 pala.
Now it's out of bounds. Here comes Wazy, one of them.
Jumped over.
Patrick gave it up to Wazy. Wala. 2 points for Palat. In the middle. Sa ilalim kay Don. Wala. Same ball. Substitution there. Substitution. Di mana time out? Di mana call time out? No? Okay.
James, I need your help, James. I need your help. I need you to bench. I need you to bench. You know?
Here comes Hardy in the middle. There's a foul. Who's foul ref? Foul on number 10, Kayanan. 3 fouls. Warning for penalty.
Bench ka na kasi para pag mag-start yung sa inyo, ano na kayo?
Video ka.
First free throw counts. Two for Harvey. 5 minutes, 20 seconds left in this quarter. Palad. There's a screen by Kayana. Palad for 3. Was blocked. Airy with the rebound. Pass to Marv. Here comes Marv. Marv sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound. Miranda. Miranda ngayon. Nagmamadali. Tuwisi. Bumili na 3. Palad for 3. Here comes the really run, and there's a foul. Penalty! 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 Warning for graduate. Number 7, Palad.
Am I talking?
No, you're not. You're just gonna give it up. Boss,
Substitution rule.
Mike, can you get the pen? Can you get the pen? Hold on. Something. No.
First free throw miss. One out of 2 for Marv. Here comes Wasey. Pinasa sa kanilang court general Patrick Dawson. Binibigyan ng screen ni Palad. Ito na ngayon si Dawson. Binabang ni Pat. Nakawala. Patrick, wala. Rebound, save. Patrick pa rin. Tumihigay ng screen si Patrick. Ito na, Patrick pa rin. Binabantay ni Pat. Patrick, tumike sa gitna kay Wasey. Wala. Rebound. Ito, Patrick. Out of bounds, save ball. Substitution there. All good. Stay down, stay. To nuevo, wala. Here comes Marv back to Harvey in the middle. Harvey, wala. Rebound, Harvey, wala. Rebound by Palad. Winsi ngayon sa ilalim ng Kayana. Kayana, Jacko, 2 points. Ngayon na ulit ako nakita ng Bird. Steve by Nuevo. Nuevo, the middle. Bounce does not pull out 2 points. Short. Kayana for the rebound. Here comes Palad. We are tied at 39 all. And Palad. Pinasa kay Pat. Patrick behind the back. Pinapatay ni Pat. 3, 2, 1. Wala! Region Gorman basketball. Time out. Bangsa Teva. This timeout is brought to us by Queens of Cakes and Cupcakes. Para sa inyong dessert, Queen of Cakes and Cupcakes. Imbitahan na sila sa inyong private events. 2 hours ongoing flow of desserts. Contact number 0404-187-656. Ang Queen of Cakes and Cupcakes, Facebook, Insta, TikTok. Sumali si Zero. Ito si Malena. Marv for 3. Rebound for Wing. Bagsak Mepa basketball. We are still tied at 39 points. Nuevo. Pinasa huli na iskilo. Here comes Harvey. 3 on 1 situation. Oh! Foul. Number 17 foul. 2 free throws. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Sublime of the Harvey.
Pwede rin sa
102 for Harvey.
sahig ka.
And the run here with a 1-point lead.
Pwede rin dito sa higa ang alam.
2 minutes and 30 seconds in this quarter. Nuevo. Miranda. Kailangan in the middle. Yes, sir. Save Sabor. Harvey now. Harvey with a side step. Rebound. Tiana. Foul. Where's the foul? Who's the foul? Number 4. Malena. Foul. 13 fouls of Bridget Bryant. 30 personal foul. Malena. Number 4. Wala pa. 13 foul para Bridget Bryant. They still have 2 more fouls to give. With last 2 minutes in this quarter. Miranda ngayon. Tumayanan. Hindi mo pa. Lamang na ng isa ang Bagsak Mepa. Carter to back. In the corner, Malena for 3. Wala. 2 What's the hole? Wait. Technical foul is called on number 11 for the length of the game. 14 fouls with the drive. Warning for penalty with the drive. And that was a delay in the game. Technical foul called on Carter.
Same in the other game. The guy fucking stepped on the line of the field.
And that free throw went in. They are now tied again at 44. Shot clock for 24 seconds. Shot clock. Here comes Robin. Dapat makitawid ko lang yun ng bago mag-port, ba? Oo, 16 seconds. Dahil 8 seconds na yun. Play on. Blocking foul on number 11, penalty. Both teams. Third personal foul on number 11. Both teams are in the penalty with 1 minute and 8 seconds. Pass break to Carter. The reverse. Two balls by Carter. Ikas Wesley. Bigyan kay Patrick. Wesley in the middle. Wala. Rebound by Van. And what a steal. There's a foul. Fourth personal foul and penalty. Warning for graduate Mr. Carter. Pasok ang free throw. Carter. 15-second shot clock. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul on number. How many fouls? 14. Graduate number 14 is fouled out. Wesley. Here comes Balsak. Durang Bahuri, Wola. Same ball. Aiman Bagsak Neva. Paninda ni Tita Grace. Kunsinta Puto. Mga kakanin, Michael Botigo.
Stop it, hit man. Hit the line for 13.
At meron pa tayong caramel bars.
Hey, that looks like your head.
Meron pa tayong dessert.
Bakit? That looks like your head.
Kumpleto. And 14-second shot clock with 17.5 seconds left in this quarter.
When? Monday.
Bola ng Patrick, pinasa Kayanan. Kayanan, bola, rebound. Oh, it's a free touch. Not great. Bola, rebound. Oh. Wow, there's a foul. Alright. Chill lang kayo, boys.
Daddy, chill!
Papasok na yung ano, yung...
Daddy, chill!
Ano ang tawag doon? Bouncer!
Daddy, chill!
Bouncer, pasok, bouncer!
Foul on number 10.
Technical!
Bonus free throws para kay Carter.
Ito, complete game.
Dito na.
Hindi pa naman ako. Sabi kasi makakabilang ng 520 ka. Eh, Mr. Vincent. Vice Clinis kasi yung mga bata doon pangalan. Kaya sabi din din.
Hey, just make one. You just need one. Let me see.
4-point win by Griffin Guard. Oh, foul. Penalty.
Let's go.
With 1.5 seconds left in this ball game.
Shoot yan! Ganyan talaga sila eh. Papawalan yung una, papashootin yung pangalawa. Baligtad ha. Papawalan yan. Diba?
And that's it. We have a champion. And also congratulations against the Balsak Neva.
Hindi pa rin ako sabi.
Boss Nico.
Pamalig mo. Itinututok mo ba?